Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Odyssey brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Make sure your Odyssey is off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the rear hatch to get to the taillight assembly. This simple process will have your brake light working again in no time, keeping you safe on the road. Now let's remove the taillight assembly. Look for the two Phillips head screws on the inner edge of the taillight. Use your screwdriver to loosen and remove both of these screws. Keep them in a safe spot so they don't get lost. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out smoothly. With the taillight assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the old 7440 bulb straight out. Now, take your new 7440 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Finally, let's put everything back together. Insert the bulb socket back into the taillight housing and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Once secured, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.